are currently in Marian Market, like live Marian Market. Hello, excuse me, please. Good afternoon. Yeah. Please, we just want to have a small section with you. Please, can you tell us your name and your favorite food?
Okay, I'm Jonah, I kind of my name, and my favorite food is OFADA rice.
Are you serious? That's good. OFADA rice is your favorite rice. Okay, that means for today's series, we are going to be taking you guys on OFADA rice, like the recipe, the procedures, and the production. Like, it's going to be superb. I hope you're going to like it.
I'm already started.
You don't have to be chopper. Don't tell me anything, Jonyo. Alright, as you have heard from our via that we'll be preparing OFADA rice, and we are currently in Marian Market. So I would like you to join us in the shopping at least so that you can follow know the ingredients we're going to use carry to the OFADA rice. So stay tuned. Color for the OFADA. People actually use green pepper, pure green pepper, but me, I don't like it personally because it's not attractive to make your stew look dull. Me, I don't like it. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll mix the two together. Okay. Give me tomatoes. But we are done and we are about to go to the production process, so stay tuned. It's going to be live. I'm very sure you're going to enjoy this section. Don't forget to click on the bottom below. Stay tuned. I love you all. We are in Richmond kitchen right now, and I'll be introducing our chef today, who will be doing everything about the OFADA rice. So join me as we welcome. Please say what's your name.
Yeah. Good day, everyone. My name is Chef Aderoke from Richmond Recipe. Yeah, today I'll be teaching you guys on how to do OFADA rice and OFADA sauce. Yes. OFADA rice and OFADA sauce is two different things. So I'll be showing you how to do that.
You said OFADA rice and OFADA sauce is two different things.
Yes, ofada rice and ofada sauce is two different. You can use white rice for ofada sauce. You can use white rice and ofada sauce. And you can use ofada rice with ofada sauce. Do you understand? Alright guys, welcome back. This is the ingredients we are using for the white rice and ofada sauce basically. This is my rice, carbonated rice. This is my fresh egg. This is locust beans, dawa dawa, iru. This is my meat mix, diva, shaki, intestine, and beef. This is my pomo, also called kanda, cow skin in English. This is my crayfish. I don't blend it. I like it like that's why I go for a smaller one. If you say how we do it, it will not show in the sauce. This is my fresh ginger. This is onions. This is sweet pepper. I'm using green pepper, a lot of green pepper for the ofada. Basically, some people use only green pepper, but me, I don't like the way it shows because it won't be colorful. So I'm mixing it with red sweet pepper. This is tomato, it's optional. This is red oil. This is my seasoning. I'm not promoting any brand. I just buy a random seasoning. Ginger, garlic mixture, curry powder, thyme, salt, then smoked fish, mala fish in your wrap. So guys, let's start. Yeah, so we start by boiling our meat. Okay, I've added my seasoning, the curry, thyme, maggi, ginger and onion and garlic mix. So I'm adding my onions. I've not added any water yet. I want the meat to boil for like 5 minutes. So before I added water, so the seasoning will enter the meat very well. So at this point, I'm going to put it here together. Covered and allowed to boil till soft. So I'm washing my rice properly. This is the third time I'm washing it. I love boiling my kanda with the meat. So the meat stock will enter the kanda, will make it soft and very tasty. See guys, I did not add water. I did not add water at all, and see plenty water already. At times it's not all meat that you add water or plenty water too. Let's stir it together. See water, you don't even add any extra water. I've tasted the stock, very very tasty. And I don't want the water to be too much because I will need the water to dry up with the meat. So all the sauce, all the seasoning will enter the meat and it will make it taste better. And we have to dice it into small chop so the thing will blend well. My tomatoes too. I told you tomatoes is optional. So the tomato is just to calm down the pepper hotness. So I'm going to blend this one. It's roughly blend, not smooth. See the texture. See the seed is still very obvious and glaring.
So I'm going to pre-cook this one before frying to reduce the sharp odor and taste of fresh pepper. I'm deboning my fish, my smoked fish, mala fish. So I will debone it and wash. So we are using it for the frying. You will see when I get there. You can use any other fish. It's not necessary you use panla fish. But me, I like panla because of the taste and the flavor. You put it in your fries too. If you know about it, you know what I'm saying. Or if you tried it before, you know what I'm saying. It's very nice. So I will wash it and start our frying. I'm trying to steam the OFADA sauce pepper, like I said earlier. So me, I don't like frying my pepper directly like that. So I love steaming it. So the sharp taste and the odor of fresh pepper will go. Just steam it for like 5 minutes. Then we fry. Let's check it. See what I'm saying? I don't add water. At times some meat will just be pumping water out for you, and sometimes we'll be adding water for them to boil. The way I'm looking them, there's no even need to cut it and check. They are still very hard. So let's give it like 10 minutes. Yeah, our rice have been boiling. I've added salt, so I will still add small water to it because I don't like soggy rice. I'm adding the water for the starch to come out. I don't like rice going together. Yeah, we are back to the meat. The meat is still on fire. See, anytime I'm boiling shaki like this, always over 40 minutes. So let me taste my sauce, my seasoning rather. Is the seasoning, the curry and this thing that changed the color of my shaki like this. So I'm taking the shaki out to dice. Our rice is finally done, very dry. So I will start by adding my red oil. So I will allow the oil to bleach. I will allow my own to bleach for like 2 minutes. Then we allow it to fry more, not pumpkin. So I'm perceiving the flavor already. So that's the essence of frying the onion. Then we are adding our locust beans. This is the main ingredient of the OFADA sauce. That's what makes it special. So we allow the irutu to fry small together with the onions. So now I'm adding my pre-cooked pepper. I can actually smell the aroma of that my green pepper inside it. The flavor of the green pepper rather, sorry. I want to add meat stock to give it more taste. I've added my meat stock. I've not had any seasoning yet. So I want to put my protein shaki from my own liver. So I'm putting it so early so the pepper will enter the meat very well. So the pepper will enter all the four corners of the meat, especially the corner. I'm adding my deboned fish, the mala fish. Then let me add my seasoning here. It's tasting nice because of this stuff. I'm just adding maggi and a pinch of salt. My washed crayfish. I don't like blending it. I prefer it like this. That's why I go for the smaller one. So it will dissolve in pepper. I've already washed it. It's not It's not strong at all. Just keep adding and keep stirring. You can see the effect of the bleached red oil. It's not even looking as if I use red oil again. Now I will add my egg, so the egg too can soak pepper. Then we keep frying till the oil comes up. That means there is no water content in it again. Then the frying will change the face of the pepper. We actually change the color of the pepper. So we make it fry. So we keep stirring so it's not burnt. You can see I'm not even seeing my crayfish. So that's why I choose to use all the small ones. So we keep stirring till the water dries up. Let me taste, final tasting. Yeah, very perfect. Not too hot, not too salty, everything perfect. You can see the oil is coming up already. That means the water content is drying up, and that's what we want. We want the water content to go. There's no way you will not stir it. You have to keep stirring. That's what I'm saying about the pepper entering the meat. See, all the meat don't swallow pepper finish, especially the pomo. All the four corners of the pomo, the pepper don't enter, and that's exactly what we want. And the shaki too. The pepper and the season has changed the color of the shaki. So if we take one bite like this, try. We're getting there. Means more. The color of the pepper itself is changing gradually. Another reason why you have to be careful when seasoning the sauce is that you know there will not be water in this stew. So you have to put small seasoning. If you put too much seasoning and you allow the water to dry up, your food will be salty. Okay guys, we are done here. No more water content, only the oil, small oil, see, that is not even plenty at all. The pomo, the fish, and no other protein inside. So this is our OFADA sauce. Sauce is ready. The next thing is to dish it out with our white rice.
Productions. We tell your story by capturing every moment and preserving your memories.